Hey guys, back with another video from my addictive blogging channel, and in this video I will be discussing about the top minimalist watch face that you can install for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 is a great watch, and now you can install third-party custom watch faces, and among those there are some of the really good looking watch faces which looks absolutely beautiful on the watch. And also these watch faces are absolutely free to download and also comes with beautiful always on display which looks really amazing on the watch. So I will show all those minimalist watch faces which are absolutely free to download and comes with an always on display, and also I will show how we can install these third-party watch faces on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So as always, this video will be a sick video guys, and if you are taken to shares, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up because I will be making more videos like this. So first of all, to install these watch faces you need to install the Facer Watch Faces app which is available in the Play Store. Make sure you are installing this app on the phone and on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, and after you have installed it you will get the icon of Facer app on your watch and also on your phone, and make sure you have also connected your watch with the Galaxy Wear app which is the official app for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So the Facer app, once you open it for the first time, it will ask for some of the permissions, and after you have given the permissions it will ask to connect your watch and it will detect the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. And once it has detected it, you need to click on the next icon and it will just make sure that it gets connected with the watch, and it will also ask to select certain watch faces which you like so that it can display these similar watch faces from where you can install the watch faces on this watch. So once you have done that, make sure you have also installed the Facer app on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 from where you can set the watch faces directly on the watch. Also, to display the watch faces which are the third-party watch faces, you need to make sure you are selecting the Facer watch face from the watch face list, and once you have selected it, it will display the selected watch face from the app. So let's see the top minimalist watch faces that you can get on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So the first watch face on the list is the Black Intention watch face, and this is a special minimal watch face which has been created for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. You can see it has a really good always on display, and this is the always on display you will be getting with the blue watch hands, and it looks really good on the watch. So this is how it looks on the watch, and a really good and nice clean watch face you are getting on the watch. It looks minimal and definitely shows you the time and some of the little information like the date and the day. And let's see the always on display now on the watch. So the always on display also looks beautiful. As you can see, comes with this blue watch hands, and really it displays the time in a minimal subtle way. So definitely a watch face to install on the watch, and you can install it from the Facer app. The second watch face on the list is MA041 Free, and this watch face also looks really good on the watch, and this is how it looks on the watch. The display shows a lot of information, like it shows you the date, day and the month along with the heart rate and the calorie information, and also the weather information it is displaying here. It is also showing you the battery percentage that is left on the watch and also the day. And this watch face has the digital clock along with the analog style clock also, where it shows the time in a more detailed format. Some minimal watch face but shows you a lot of information, comes in this black color, looks good on the watch. Now let's see the always on display also. So the always on display is a full always on display and looks really good on the watch, shows you the time and every little information. So definitely a really good looking watch face you are getting on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, and I will recommend you to install this on the watch. Next watch face on the list is 714.1 Minimal watch face, and this is also a watch face you can install from the Facer app. Looks really minimal with the orange clock hands and really looks good on the watch. So this is how it looks on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So I have not seen this type of beautiful minimal looking watch face on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. Definitely one of the most beautiful looking watch face you can get on the watch. The orange watch hands make this watch face beautiful, and you can see there is this orange dots that are used also to give that really premium look on this watch face. And definitely this watch face comes with a beautiful always on display. You can see the always on display shows you the time in a definitely subtle way, and with this orange hour and minute hands you can see the time clearly on the watch. You can see definitely it looks good, and also it shows you the date here. One of the most beautiful minimal watch face you can get on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, and you can definitely download it from the Facer app. Next minimal watch face is the RCM011, and this is also a beautiful looking watch face you can get on the watch. The watch face looks really good with this blue color on the black interface, and really the color pops out on the display of the watch. Shows you the information like the weather, the month and the day, and the second hand keeps moving all the time. Really good looking watch face comes with a beautiful always on display. The always on display is really minimal. You can only see the time, and definitely one of the most minimal beautiful looking watch face you are getting on the watch. So this watch face also comes with some of the modifications you can do on the watch face, like you can change the unit system of the weather, and once you change it, it will take some time to load on the watch, but this is how it looks. Definitely a beautiful looking watch face you can download on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 from the Facer app. Next minimal looking watch face is the RCZ017, and this is a purple and black watch face. It also looks beautiful on the watch, and there are some of the most important information it displays. This is the watch face, and it looks really good because of the purple color and the black accents, and the way the watch face is designed, it displays a lot of information, like there is this month and the day, the battery percentage, and also it shows you the weather information. And here you can see it is showing you the battery percentage of phone and the watch, and this is a really important information you are getting on this watch face. Also it shows you some of the other information, like here is a bar which shows you the step count, and this bar will fill up as you will be increasing your step count. So definitely a really good watch face you are getting. And there is an always on display also, and the always on display is the very minimal one, but definitely shows you the time, the month and the date. So I will recommend you to install this watch face. Looks really good on the watch. So these are some of the watch faces which you can install on the watch, which are minimal and also good looking. I will be making more videos on the minimal watch faces and other watch faces for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Thank you.